Alright, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. We're going to be repairing some curb rash on a Dodge Challenger. Got this here, a little spot, tiny spot over here. This has just been detailed and it's got a fresh tire shine on it. So I'm going to wipe that off some to keep some of the dust from sticking in the way. Now I'm getting set up. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, we'll get working on this one in just a minute here. Shouldn't take too long. I'm going to grind this out with the red conditioning disc and then we'll sand it up and paint it. Clean that up with 320 grit. Hit it with the scuff pad. And clean this dust off as best we can on this one. I'll spray it with a little bit of my surface prep to get it a little bit cleaner than that. This whole wheel is coated with tire shine, so everything wants to stick to it.